Hello teachers, welcome. I'm here to show you how to access the Toolbox on the Mindprint Learning website, which will give you tips and strategies for working with students that have cognitive struggles that you need to support. So you can go to their website, mindprintlearning.com. You can also bookmark it. I recommend doing that. And then when you go to sign in, you will probably need to get sign-in information from your assistant director. They might set you up with your own personal account where you'll set up your own password, but it is also quite likely that they will have an account that everybody on the campus uses and shares, in which case you'll just need that information to log in. Either way, you're going to get signed into the same page. I'm just going to show you a handful of things around here. You're going to have a bunch of students that will pop up in the middle here with their different results, and there's a couple different ways to access the toolbox. First is you can click on My Toolbox on the left here, or another is you can click on a student's toolbox here and go to see that student in particular. So we'll take a look at both of them. When we click on My Toolbox, it's going to send you over to a place that says My Favorites. We don't really care about this because you probably haven't put anything into My Favorites. So you're going to want to go over to Search, which is really what we're going to look at and what we're going to focus our time on. If you clicked on a student's toolbox, they would actually already give you some information, and you could look into a personalized learning plan there, or again, you could click on the search bar to take you over to kind of the generic search option in here, which is what we're going to focus on right now. So like any search parameter engine that you're using, you can modify what you're doing in here. The more you refine things, the less likely things are going to show up. So if I'm looking for like something with English and cars and planes, it's entirely possible that I won't get any results. So we're going to start off with a pretty broad search. We're going to look for some attention skills, and we're mostly focused on instructional strategies and so on and so forth here. So we're going to look at these search results that come there. We see 116 results, which is quite a lot. And we can take a look through and see if anything in particular catches our eye. One of my favorite things that I see on here a lot is how adults can support attention. They have one of these for every single cognitive skill. And so you can open up resources on there. And these are pretty short and sweet. This is basically like a PowerPoint thing that explains a little bit about attention. And then it gives kind of a checklist about what you should be thinking about. And then just a couple strategies that you can use with the students. So this is a nice quick way of getting some resources, some plans that you can use. And these all link to various other plans and planners and multitasking strategies that they have throughout the website. That's a quick way that you can get the toolbox. Hope that's helpful to you. Have a wonderful rest of the lesson. Thank you.